Today we're showing you a 2013 John Deere 5055E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor has just under 1,000 hours on it. Engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. It's a nice, clean, good running little tractor. Paint's in nice shape on the tractor. It has the R4 tires on it. 3-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine. Fenders are nice. It's got the 540 and 540E PTO. Rear hydraulic SCV back here. Stabilizer chains on both sides. Top link is there. As you can see, it's a very nice, very clean little tractor. You can add a loader to this tractor if necessary. Got new Quickie X3 loaders here in stock for the tractor. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel, has a left-hand power reverser which allows you to change direction without clutching. Full suspension seat for the operator. Four-wheel drive engagement down here beside the seat. 540 and 540E PTO selector. Over here to the right, you've got your factory loader control. If you do want to add a loader, it's easily done. 12-speed transmission. You've got 3 ranges in the shorter lever, 4 synchronized gears over there to the right. 3-point hydraulic and PTO controls also to the right. Up top you've got radio, climate controls, rear view mirror, sun visor. Back down to the floor you've got differential lock, foot throttle, individual brakes and clutch pedal. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.